Hello there, crafters of the world. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'd like to take you through another project on how to make your flowery cards. As you can see here, what I'm using is mainly this gorgeous golden card, which I got from Create and Craft, as they have an online and a TV presence. And I purchased back in December probably some 170 cards. It was all so beautiful. So A4 pages of 250 GSM paper or card, some people call them. And what I did to this one, as you can see, is beautifully in golden. I decided not only to use a dye on them, which is in this beautiful floral design, but also to emboss it. And you see there is beautiful. Clearly both procedures are being done using a die cutting machine. So as you can see here, I started by cutting the paper as I wanted, and as I messed around for quite some time in order to make sure I'm happy with the design of the card, I put different flowers around until I was happy with this arrangement. So as you can see, I'm using in this card these black flowers, made of mulberry paper, which I showed you in a different clip how to make them. Also these white flowers, which are from an old bouquet I had in the house. Pardon me, I'm still under the weather. And also that brown string, which I bought in bulk from an eBay seller. I bought several sets of being sold in packages. I paid for one of them $2.99, one of these packages containing some 20-something type of ribbons, and all of them in anything from half a meter to 2 meters. So I'm very happy. eBay is a great resource for finding this kind of stuff. The white flowers from an old bouquet, what I did on them, I put black chalk at the edge. As you can see, I covered it in glitter because that chalk can come out, and I put Swarovskis in the middle. Also purchased from eBay in packs, I think of some £3. A great choice. The butterfly was made by me, again using a die cutting machine. I put a black butterfly at the back and the white butterfly at the front, which I covered it in brown distressing ink, and on top of it I put some glitter. The heart was assembled using two hearts, both using a die cutting machine. I used the same die, of course, for both of them. Why? Because this heart I wanted to be more resistant. So the one at the back was made of cotton. The cotton did not cut through the die as it cut through the paper at the front. So I only came with this shape of the heart on the outside. I said, okay, no worries, I'm going to use this thinner paper to put on top of the cotton. And what I did, both of them were painted with glitter, with yellowish glitter, and also distressed with brown ink. Next, I cut the black 250 GSM card, which I put underneath the golden card to create a background matching the flowers and the edges of the white flowers. I glued everything together using the 3-in-1 glue. I started by gluing first my hearts, and then the flowers, the ribbon, as you can see there, before that the paper. So I'm very happy with the final look. So I hope this information was of any help, and this inspired you on making your own cards. Have a look at the next video, which is going to be on making a similar card but a more pastel, flowerish card. So keep in touch and have a very nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye.